Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and add someone's story to your story. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, what we're going to do, first of all, we're simply going to go ahead, open up Instagram. Once we have opened up our Instagram app, what we're going to do is, so for you to, let's say if you tap on any of the users, the friends of ours story, if you would like to post a story, we can tap on a three dot. We don't have an option of putting this story to our story. We only have an option where it can either simply go ahead, screen record the story if you are really fond of it, and we can simply go ahead, put it in our story, or we can simply ask that person. Otherwise we do not have, and simply reposting just like we do here it in the Instagram reels, right? We can simply tap on the share icon and we will have an option of adding this to our story over here, but it doesn't work without somebody else's story. But the one thing that we can make sure of, let's say if I go to this message section of ours, if I tap on this person's message, so you can see this person, it shows add to your story, and this is this person's story. If I tap on it, so why we're allowed to add this story to ours and not the other ones is because this person has mentioned, you can see mentioned you in their story. If somebody has mentioned you yourself or your ID right there in their Instagram, then you will be able to repost that story to your account. If you tap on this add to your story option, and this will simply be like that, you will be able to share this person's story right there in your Instagram app. So this is basically it, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.